In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn Agentforce Coworker on, what you actually need to know before you do, and briefly what you can do once it's live. One head-ups before we start, pay close attention to this setup because it may look different by the time you're watching this. Salesforce moves fast and changes its processes and naming all the time. So let's get into that. To configure Agentforce Coworker, you'll need to assign yourself the Agentforce Coworker admin and user permission sets. So go ahead and give yourself the permission sets and second the pricing. There are two models, a usage-based one and a seat-based one. With the usage-based model, you draw down flex credits and data services credits based on usage, and the seat-based model uses Agentforce One Edition or Agentforce for Salesforce Service industry licenses to give users unmetered access. But that only helps if AI permissions are configured properly. I'm not a Salesforce employee, so it's also worth double checking the help docs in case anything has changed. Step two, head into setup and in the quick find box type coworker, click get started with Agentforce Coworker, and that lands you on the activation page. Step three, click get started. Then you click turn on. A confirmation window pops up. Hit confirm. And that's basically it. From here, it's automated. This takes a few minutes to process. Now looks good. Next, the Manage tab lets you connect the data sources you want Coworker to work with. Your Salesforce is connected by default, and from here you can add internal sources like Slack or Data 360 or external ones. It's actually up to you. Head over to turn on end user experience to let users access Coworker right from the search bar. Once it's on, users see an extra ask button next to the search bar. Hit I understand and turn it on. The next step is where you choose who gets access to Coworker. It's pretty straightforward. Just click manage and select the specific users. And we're live. Agentforce Coworker is an AI that lives right inside your Salesforce Global Search. So instead of typing keywords and clicking through records, you just ask it a question in plain English, and it pulls the context, explains what's happening, and it can take the next steps for you. So let me show you how it actually works. By default, it can find what you're looking for, catch you up, or plan for you. Let's try plan my work for today, just as an example. As you can see, it's pulling context from across the platform and answering in plain language. I don't have Slack connected to this org, but if I did, it would definitely pull that info into. You can also type an account name into the search bar and you'll see it offer ask a coworker instead, or you can just type summarize this account for me and it will do that. It takes a moment to process your question, and it also, as you can see, it also references the actual records you would normally look up yourself. You can follow up, for example, with something like what opportunities should I focus on this week, and it will give you a summary. There you go. So that's actually the whole setup. I'm glad if that was useful, and have a nice day.